Might be 6 degrees outside. I'm going digging. I haven't been out in about 3 months. Sun hasn't even come up and I'm just waiting on the window to clear. Right, so today is really just about practicing the process of running dirt. I'm having to use selfie mode because if I use the other camera, the microphone's rubbish. So there's a mammoth rock in here. I've been digging around it. I got into some dark material, a bit of iron and some quartz, which is nice because it's all granite here. No gold, nothing at all. I really just wanted to just test out the different setups that I have, see what works and see what doesn't. That's really what I'm trying to do today. So I'll show you first off the sluice box. Hazard a guess who made that flare? Sluice box is working brilliantly. Yeah, I'll show you what I'm doing in terms of the buckets. This is the setup I have at the minute. These are new buckets I picked up in a farming shop, and these are, I think, 9 litres or something like that. Let's say, for example, I take gravel from here and I put it into one of those buckets, and then I pick it up from here. Right, so I picked up dirt. So I picked up dirt. I now have dirt in a bucket. Let's time it. Okay, so 10 seconds. So 10 seconds to get to here, and then I put it in here, wash it through, put it in here, wash it through. So that's another 10 seconds. Then I shovel it from the bucket. Imagine we put the shovel in, pick it up, we come around, and we tip it straight in. Lift up, and we tip it straight in. Right, what's that? Right, so that's another 20 seconds. So it took 10 seconds to walk from there, 10 seconds to screen it, and 20 seconds to sluice it. And that's for, well, we'll use our imaginary number as being 2 shovels. After 40 seconds, it's run through. Happy days. That's faster than any other setup. I don't know when I'll be releasing this video, but if it's after January, you would have seen a different way of running things. This looks like it might actually be faster. Right, I'm going to crack on moving dirt, and I'll come back to you later on when it's time for the clean out. Right, so I just done a quick clean out in sluice box. Mountains of black sand. Absolutely no gold whatsoever. I'll give you a quick shot of the kit I brought with me. So first off, these are the new buckets. So I've got 2 of the 9 litres. I just brought this cheapy one, only a 5 litre bucket, thinking I need it, but it's of no use really. The 3 gallon bucket, didn't even need that at all. So next time out, just bring the 2 small ones. I'll clip them together with a bungee cord and just carry one by handle. Simple as that. Gold bag, nothing strange, it's not same as normal. Pants in the outside of the bag. This is the one that Samuel made, right? So yeah, comes along here, lovely, a lot of water. So now that I know I'm physically capable of doing the work, and now that I know I have a setup that works, now I can go to a different location and bring less buckets. I got at least another 2 hours before I have an appointment. I'm out for the day, I might as well make use of it. Right, I'll catch you all at the next location, and hopefully find more shiny that day. Bye bye.